Hello everybody, minasan konnichiwa. I'm now at Bugis Street and doing a short tour of the Bugis area. So let's go. Look at the steaming the drinks. Lots of clothes, man. $5 for the females. And the street food here. And there are some games in front.
Would you have buried that song rather than bring it to them, and how did it end up in the band camp?
They answered it and said, hey, that's what you do. I said, no, it's not.
How did Lars hear that?
They even sell perfumes, but don't count it to be original. Because it's like 2 for $25, you know. And here's a lot of mobile handphone casing, man. You'll be shocked, man. In more of the Lao Basa ring. And right now we are going to cross this street to Bugis Junction, where there are more shopping stuff. There's a beaching here and Mr. Coconut here as well. And they're going to open the Farm Coffee in June. The Michelle here, the ice cream used to be Burger King, but Burger King closed down. We have finally arrived at Bugis Junction. Lots of youngsters that hang out here, man. And there's a McDonald's in front, and some people are doing some streaming and stuff, some performance. Is it busking? I'm not sure, but recently I saw a lot of these professional crews, you know. I'm not sure what they're up to, man. They haven't started, they are going to start. So I'm going to crash them by going to the center. Not really, but I'm crossing to the Liangxia Street, where there's a lot of steamboats and food street over there. I'm going to show you guys. Right there, Liangxia Street. Let's check it out, man. Oh, it's insane, man. This place, Mookata, so many people. Mookata.sg. And the route is closed, you know. It's just for pedestrians. A lot of Chinese restaurants. They are eating hot pot, man. And what's that? The Momo trade. And the staff are telling people to join them to order. The right side, wow, this is insane. All the China people eating. 新加坡老字号创于2008东方美食. So we are looking at the menu, right? It's about $10 to $15. So this street, both sides they are filled with restaurants, and mostly it's the China food. I don't see any Singaporean brand right here yet. Oh, it's insane, man. But I think most of them are the youngsters in their 20s with some aunties, exceptions. What is this? Onchen to chili chicken. And there's a queue here. Let's check out what they're queuing for, man. Over 50 people. Oh, the Aqiu dessert. The Aqiu Tianping. It seems like here, so it's less people here. I mean, at this corner of the street. It all ends with the Aqiu dessert, and that is the longest stretch. I mean, more customers, man. Now we check out this side. Oh, that's an amazing big dog, man. Look at that. Hot pot. It seems that the favorite food here is a hot pot, man. Grill bar. I think it's good. They have some bar here, not just food, you know. Some bars people can play pool, and maybe sing KTV. I like the Mookata though, actually at the corner, because it faces the main road. It should be cooler, right? But again, the quality of food is important, not just because it's hot pot or it's further in. Oh, there's a KTV at level 2, 8+1. 8+1 酒吧. And the bus stop is here on the left side. Malaysia boleh. of the Bugis Junction. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe so more people can find the video. So take care everyone from Bugis. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and this is a little dance for you guys. Alright.